To pay with PayPal on the Serial Collective, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Serial Collective website, which can be found at vestiairecollective.com. Once you're on the web page, you'll see a search bar, the logo, and sign in and sign up options. Click on the sign in option to log into your account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. To pay with PayPal, go to your profile, where you'll find options such as selling an item, your profile, favorite items, and your bag. From your profile, click on My Account to view your listings, saved searches, orders, and sales. In your account, you can check your profile information, including purchase methods, security, and guarantees. Once you've made a purchase, it will appear in your account. To make a purchase, find a product you like, scroll down to the Add to Bag option, and then proceed to checkout. At checkout, you can enter a promo code and select your payment method. When you get to the payment section, you'll see how PayPal works with the Serial Collective. After making a purchase, you can view the details of your order in your account. This process allows you to easily pay with PayPal and keep track of your purchases on the Serial Collective.